Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to help you solve a very pesky problem, which is not having an envelope for a card. So I'm going to teach you how to make your very own envelope. I think this is much cooler than the envelopes that come at the store, and it's way more convenient. It's a good skill to have, trust me. It's come in handy more than a dozen times. Let's get into the video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own envelope using a piece of scrapbook paper. The first thing we need to do is make our scrapbook paper into a perfect square. To do this, I'm folding it in half and then cutting off the excess. Lay it flat and we're going to fold it in half the other way. This is a great way to find the center of your paper. Now we're going to take our sides and fold them into the center dot. Next, we're going to fold the top down to the center and crease it. We did this so that we can take the bottom and fold it up to this line. Next, we're going to open that back up, fold the bottom up to the line we just created, and fold that in place. Now we're folding in the sides of our bottoms up to this line.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back.
I'm just using some clear tape to hold this in place.
Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing the world.
Now fold the entire bottom of your envelope up to the center. And again, I'm using some clear tape and I'm covering that with some fancy washi tape. And there you have it, my card fits nicely inside, and I think this is a great way to personalize your envelope. I used the cactus paper because I'm actually going to put a little cactus felt ornament I made inside to mail with my Christmas cards. I have a video on my channel about how you can make your own cactus ornament, so please go check it out if you're curious about that. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you'll be notified when I post more videos. Also, don't forget to check out my tutorial on these cute little felt ornaments that you can mail with your Christmas cards. They fit perfectly in these envelopes, just like so. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!